How to fix Facebook cannot change profile picture. Welcome back to this new tutorial video, everyone. So if you're having issues trying to change your profile picture within Facebook, let me show you a couple of common solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can immediately try out is try to switch your network connection. So for example, if you're currently using a Wi-Fi network, try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. If this first step did not work for you, the second thing that you can do is try to clear out the app cache of the Facebook application. Just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you'll be able to see the option called clear cache. You can just tap on this option and try to see if you can now upload your profile picture. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to iPhone storage and then offload the application. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. What you can then try out is try using the web browser. Currently trying to change the profile picture using your Facebook app, what you can then try out is open up a laptop or a desktop and head over to facebook.com and try to see if you can change the profile picture from there. Even after doing this step and you cannot change the profile picture from the web version as well, this simply means that the Facebook is having glitches right now, or the Facebook uploading may be temporarily blocked. So what you can do is you need to wait out 24 hours before the issue is automatically fixed and before the cooldown expires. So once you follow these few steps, you should be able to upload your profile picture without having any sort of issues. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.